Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to post and share a thread to your Instagram story. Let's go! You may have seen that other people are sharing their threads from the new threads up onto their Instagram story. So this is quite easy and I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do though is make sure you've switched to the Instagram account you want to go and share your thread on. Then what you want to do is come back to the Threads app and go and post anything you want. Let's say I'm just going to post the word share. So click on post right here and then to go and post this onto my story, all I need to do is once it's posted, I will just refresh the page and I will go and click on sort of the share icon on that thread. So as you can see, you've got the like button, the comment button, the repost button, and then the share button. This is what we're going to be clicking on. It's sort of like an arrow. So just click on that like this, and then you can see it will give us the option to add story, post and feed, and tweet. So in this case, I'm just going to go and click on add to story like this. Let's give it a moment to load, and Instagram will then open and it will say Instagram pasted from threads. And there we have it. So as you can see, I do have the thread post now on my Instagram story. Then what you can do on the top right, you can probably add some text if you want. You can also add some stickers. Or you could also click on this and add some filters if you like to. Once you're finished, just go and press on your story and let me just refresh. So yeah, as you can see, that's it. I have successfully shared my thread on my Instagram story.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.